This is what? This is the next video of part 2 on my YouTube Bonfire channel. You're joking, I'm not joking, and I need a shit. Come on, I want another 5. Where to go off? Mate, yes! There's another one, Mum. Come on, man. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Come on. Shot in, done it fucking sooner. Come on. Oh, yes, he's going to do it again. Yes! Oh, my God. Oh, mate, did you see that one? Did you fucking see that? Oh, oh. Did I? Or not? I didn't make the buds. Yeah, did I? The lady, yeah, because she's a pussy. Did I make you scared? Did I make you scared? Make you scared? Fuck you. Oh, you've seen the soap already. No. Have you seen a curry? Oh no, you haven't, have you? Come on, and again. Come on, again, lads. Come on. They're doing it again. They're doing it again. They're doing it again, lads. Oh yeah. What? They're finally fireworks. Come on, they're not gonna hurt you from out indoors, are they? Shut up! Shut up! There's another one coming. Oh, come on. Yes. I'm gonna go up here and look at it. Yes. Ouch. Ouch. Come on, mate. Come on. One car. Come on. Come on. I want another one before I fart on your faces, you 16-year-olds. What the fuck? Oh, you fucking joker. Bad pipes. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Fuck off. I want to do another video. Sorry guys, I'm choking on something again. It's not dick, thank you. It's not dick, thank you. Okay, then that's it then. I'll wait. That's it then, guys, and I'll see you in the next time for part 3.